Eyes. They got it made. They can look up, down, left, right. They see it all or nothing. Ears, on the other hand, poor ears. They hear everything. The good, the bad, the "Hey, you!" But it's a new day for listeners. Hey, ears, say hello to Galaxy Buds Pro. This isn't just an earbud, it's complete ear control. Putting these in is like putting a sound studio in your ear. No, seriously. We fit an 11mm woofer and a 6.5mm tweeter in each. It feels like you're sitting here, even when you're here. Yep, with 2 levels of active noise canceling that eliminate up to 99% of background noise. But here's the thing about this active noise canceling. You can turn it down with your voice.
Can I get a number 1 with extra onions and chili sauce?
Good choice.
This sensor can detect when you speak, and its AI algorithm automatically turns your music down and the world up.
Thank you.
No hands required.
Excuse me, which way is Broadway?
We're on Broadway.
Oh, all right, thanks.
It's called Intelligent ANC, which means your earbuds are smarter than ever before. And with 4 levels of ambient mode, they're more adjustable. This is ambient mode at level 1. And this is ambient mode at level 4.
Hey, what's up?
She sounds great, and you sound amazing.
Just riding around the city. It is crazy windy today.
Must be the 3 mics with windshield technology that adapt to those windy days.
Okay, gotta run. Goodbye.
Oh, one more thing before you go. Introducing 360 audio with Dolby head tracking. Just pair with Galaxy S21 and be immersed in the action, no matter which way you go or turn. Lucky ears, because with Galaxy Buds Pro, what they hear is up to you. Oh, don't be jealous, eyes.